and welcome back to the second part of this tutorial. Now let's try and take care of all of this. But before I go any further, you see the barcode. Let me show you guys where I got the barcode from. So I'm going to exit out, and right here, there we go. Okay, there's a website called thefont.com. okay, that is the website there. And if you go straight to the home page, this is what you guys will see. So all I did was I just come right here. Different types of fonts there for you to download whatever you want. Okay, but look at the alphabet. Just click on the C, and inside the C you should be able to see the barcode there. There we go. Okay, you can download any of these. Once it's downloaded, and you should be able to see it in your zip area, extract it, get it extracted. You double click on the extracted one, and all you just need to do is to click on install, and that is it, done. Once you click on install, that's it. It will be installed straight into your system, and that's all there is to the barcode. Once it's installed on your system, whatever component you want to assign a barcode to, select the component and then go to the fonts. Let's look for fonts here, right there, that's font, and just look for the barcode. Let's type in C, there we go, that's the barcode right there. All you then need to do is click on it and just click on OK, and that's all there is to it. And that's what I did for this very one here. You can see there's C code 39. Alright, now let's start work with these buttons first. Okay, what I want to do is, supposing a customer would like to pay cash, and they give you excess maybe money to change, I would just want you to be able to click on any of these buttons to assign the value in here. Okay, once the value is assigned in there, and you take it from there. So what I'm going to do is, let's get the name first. It's called LBL Cash. Okay, double click on number 7, and in there I'm going to use an if statement. If LBL Cash dot caption equals 0, then LBL Cash equals 7, just like calculator, but with a little bit of difference. Okay, equals 7. Else LBL Cash equals LBL Cash and number 7. That is it. The very first one is created. Just type in end if. There. Now that is done. So all you then need to do is, if you want, you can just copy and paste. So I'm going to copy. That is 7 taken care of. If I run it now, I should be able to just insert 7 onto that label. So let's click. There we go. 7, 7, 7, and so on. Okay, so exit out. Now let's repeat the same thing for 8. Double click on 8, paste, and come in here, change that to 8. Repeat exactly the same thing for number 9. Double click on 9, paste, change that to 9. Let's do maybe 2 more. 4, paste that in there, change that to 4. Then we can then speed it up. 5, paste, change that to 5, and there. So 6. Now I believe you guys get the whole idea, and I'm going to then speed that up. Okay, all done guys, apart from the 0. So let's take care of the 0. With the 0, that will be 0 as well, and this is 0 as well. Okay, now let's take care of the clear. The clear is easy. I'm just gonna grab one of these and just paste it right there. Where is it? It's not there. So LBL, I think it's called cash dot caption equals 0. There we go. Okay, let's take care of the dot here, the decimal point. Double click on that, and I'm going to use if int lbl cache dot caption comma, and that is if it contains that. Okay, equals 0. Then we want the following: lbl cache dot caption dot caption equals lbl cache dot caption plus there, and then just say and if. Okay, that should take care of the decimal point. Okay, I think we finished with that, so let's run it and see. And there we go. Let's try it again. That is good, so that's working. Alright, the clear is working as well, and that's working. Okay, that's good. Alright, then all we need to do now is we now need to take care of these 4 buttons. Alright, so let's take care of this very one first. Let's take care of pay. Double click on pay. With the pay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an if statement. If CBO payment dot text equals cash. There we go. So if it equals cash, then what I want it to do, let's close this up. What I want it to do is to call C price. That's the function. Okay, give that function a call. Then the LBL total itself dot caption, that will be, it's not a caption I want to use. Let's use the background. I want the background color dot back color. I want that to change to something. So let's say equals RGB, and we just change that to 176, 224, 230. That should give us the sky blue, but this color is called powdered blue, so that's fine. Now else if it's equals to empty, so let's grab this one. Instead of typing, just grab all of these, paste that here. If it's equals to nothing, I want the background color to remain light gray, which is 240 by 240 by 240. Okay, 240, 240 here, and 240 on the other side, and 240 here. Okay, now if you notice I use else if. I'm now going to use else. I want it to remain as this. Okay, copy and paste, and if. Okay, that takes care of the pay. If cash is selected, LBL total becomes sky blue. If it's empty, remains this, that's gray. Else, whatever other option is selected, this should change to powdered blue. There, so that's fine. Now let's come back in here. That is for the pay. Okay, now let's take care of reset. Double click on reset. In case of reset, I'm just going to call every single one of these and clear them. Clear these, paste that in there, that's the dots, clear, and that is my list box. The second list box here, there we go, that's it right there. Paste, dot, clear. Okay, what else do I need to clear? I need to clear LEL cache dot text equals clear. It's not combo box, it is caption. Okay, that caption. Okay, and what else we have? We have tags and so on. So let's grab this LBL tags there. LBL sub total there. LBL total, paste. Right. Okay, I'm going to also go for the LBL, put total in place. LBL item code there. Yeah, I think I should have that as well. We have cache. Yeah. What about change? LBL change. Now, you see the total? I'm going to change the back color with total. Yeah, total. Dot background color equals RGB 240, 240, 240. There we go. Alright, so once that is cleared, what about the cache? We should enter a 0 in there because there's a 0 default 0 there anyway. Okay, I think that will do for now. Let's just run it and see. Alright, that's fine. Let's assume it's cache. Let's just enter maybe 20 something. Pay. Okay, and it's fine. So let's click on reset. There. Alright, I was able to reset everything, so that's alright. Okay then, so pay is taken care of, these two are taken care of. Let's take care of this one, that's easy. Come right here, double click on the print button, double click on that. For the print, I'm just going to enter application dot dialog, and let's say XL. I think that would be for print. It's right here. Okay, let's pick this and just change that to print. Come in here and just change this to print. There we go. Dot show. Okay, application dot dialog dot XL dialog print dot show, and that's all there is to the print one. So let's run that and see. Click on print. Yeah, that's cool. Close that. And now let's take care of remove. Close that. Now, before we can take care of remove, I think we will need to take care of these two components first. Double click on that because I want to be able to select the item I want to remove here. So double click on that very list box. Try that again. There we go. Right. And in here, so in here I'm going to declare a variable. For that variable I will call it remove item. So that's the item I want to remove. So I'm going to use a for loop for this. So come down here and let's say for the item that I intend to remove, I'm going to say L bound, say LST display dot list, and 2, so we're more or less converting. And if you want to know how to use the L band, you will see a lot of tutorial on that on the internet. Okay, there. So, okay, now let's come down here and just say if me dot lst item dot selected, and if that is equals remove item, then true. Okay, and true. So we'll repeat the same thing for the other one. So I'm just going to copy this, copy everything there from here and just paste it there for that. Come right down here, paste, and this is going to be for the display. Grab that for the display, just paste that there. Okay, and we need to end if though, and if, and we also need to next there. Next, remove item. Okay, so that should take care of that. So if I click on one, I should be able to select the other one. So that's what's happening there. So run it and let's see. Okay, let's select whatever item that we want. If I click on this, I want to be able to select the other one as well. So right here I'm actually missing dots list. Copy this and just put that in here. Okay, let's hope I've got it all right now. So I'm going to run it again. Run. There we go. And click on any of those. Yeah, I've been able to select that. But see, I can select that straight away, but supposing I click here, I won't be able to select all of that. So I'm going to repeat the same thing for this very list box there. Let's come in here. That's the second list box. This is the first one, the second one, so double click on the second. All I'm just going to do is copy all of this, copy and paste it right here. Now what we do is, everywhere we see display, we change it to LST item, and this will definitely become display anyway, but let's do this first. There and there, that's item already, so we have to change that to display. So grab LST display here and change this to LST display. There we go. And I think that is it for that. Now let's enter whatever item in here. I can select either way, this way or this way. Alright, so that's fine. So that's working as we want. So that's 13 pounds. Let's say we have 12 pounds plus, and all we then need to do is select our cash, click on that. Yeah, that is correct. We are almost finished really. All I then need is this delete. I need this remove to work. So come back in here, double click on remove. Where is remove? Double click on remove. So right in here inside remove, I'm going to use the if statement if lst display dot list index less than and equals to 0, then do as follows. Okay, lst display dot remove item. And what item are you removing? The item here. Dot lst index. Okay, based on this index. And if. That's it, done. So let's do the same thing for the next one, and that is the lst item. Change this to item. And do that. Copy that again. Change all of this to item. Item and an item here. And another one here. Alright. I think that's it done. I think that is it. So all we then need to then do is call cost. No, it's not. It's called price. See, price. That's one. Then the other function. Let's come right here. There's the other function. It's right here somewhere. There we go. Cost of item. There. Okay. And right underneath here we have this. No, we're working with remove. Double click on remove. And I'm just going to say call there. Okay. I think it's all done now. So let's run it and see how that's going to work. Because the only part of it we're waiting for is just the remove. Okay, that's good. It's working fine. And that is it. Let's select coffee. Get rid of coffee. Remove. That is good. Okay. But here we don't have anything in there. Supposing it's a direct debit. So let's remove another item. There. There's nothing in here. No, but if we add that and let's see, calculate. We need to change this to calculate though. Alright, that is fine. And we can remove there. Okay. So the system is actually working the way I want. Right. See, I can remove. Once I remove, this is incremented. Your change is incremented. So let's remove something here again. Remove. You see your change. Let's assume we want to take off £3.80p. Remove. There. We got £10. Okay. So guys, with that, I'm going to call it the end of this very, very interesting and powerful point of sales tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it. And you all have a nice day now. And bye for now. And please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of this very good channel. And believe me, there's a lot of resources for you members. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.